Understanding the phrase, in need of repair. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, in need of repair. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner of English, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. In need of repair is a phrase that combines a few simple words to convey a specific meaning. Let's break it down. In is a preposition often indicating a state or condition. Need refers to requiring something essential or very important. Of is another preposition that connects the need to what is needed. Repair means the act of fixing or restoring something that is broken or damaged. When combined, in need of repair refers to a state where something is broken or not functioning properly and requires fixing. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The old bridge is in need of repair. This suggests that the bridge is damaged or deteriorating and needs work to be safe and functional. 2. After the storm, many houses were in need of repair. This implies that the houses were damaged by the storm and need to be fixed. In these examples, the phrase clearly indicates a situation where repair work is necessary. There are several expressions similar to in need of repair. These include requires fixing, needs mending, demands restoration. Understanding these similar phrases can help you enrich your vocabulary and express the same idea in different ways. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, in need of repair, and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, learning these common English phrases can significantly improve your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.